Hey, it's Sammy. On Wednesday, September 3rd, 2025, we took 314 points out of Dow Futures today using our secret weapon, Goliath. That's our Whitelabel AI project that is using our optimizer as a quant motor, and it is incredibly effective. Essentially, we're trading 5 contracts at $5 a point or tick on YM, so $25 across 314 points is $7,850. Let's take a look at the trades and see how everything played out. You can see how the market was kind of stalling up here, and the 200 moving average was holding everything. Goliath has scouts built in, so he can read the chart. Literally, we're hooking up his OCR. It's pretty incredible, but the magic comes when he reads momentum, sentiment, and volatility. He can read the growth, he can read the decay, he can read the change, he can read ATR, all sorts of incredibly powerful things. That's how we're able to stay in these. He recommended we went down to that pink line, which is VWAP, set it, forget it, look at this thing roll. We're going to throw our trailing stop in, but it's just going to smash down and hit 47 points. This is what happens when you don't listen to your AI. The data was decaying. I had 25 points in this trade. Basically, Goliath said, hey, you should start watching. It's decaying now. We're starting to come out. Your algos are all flattening. Possibly just lock in your trade. I had my break even set. We're going to take a break even. We had that initial pop that we could not catch. We had the pullback. Goliath was still calling for us to go up and retest pivot in the high of day. So we're going to trail this trade up as it's going up to challenge that previous day's close. Now, I could have been a lot more aggressive and just close this when we hit that PDC flag, but it's going to pull back and take us out with 30 points. This is actually not even the real move. Pay attention. So Goliath is reading orb. That's why I typed in long break right there at previous day's close. That's at 5-minute orb level. And we rolled right off of it. We got a divergent double top pattern here. Our data is flipping over. He can read it much more effectively than I can in the quant side. And we're going to trail this down. You can see we have a really small stop loss. We're going to trail down behind this thing really quickly, hit that deviation band, and lock in 75 points on a trailing stop. You can see the reversion play here really quick. At about 8 o'clock this morning, Goliath said, we're going down to the 23.6 Fibonacci level. I figured we were, I just didn't know how long it was going to take. You can see we took the push to the left, locked that profit in. We got another double top pattern manipulating here underneath VWAP. We are rolling down through the first checkpoint that he had. We have all this data in play and it's growing. So we're going to let it rip all the way down for 90 point take profit. I was pretty stoked already, ending the day like 10 o'clock or whatever. That was all before the news. So I worked from 8:20 a.m. this morning until 10 a.m. I came back from the beach and sat down in my chair at almost 2 o'clock here. The data flushed again and we caught this move. Now, this is our third deviation band. That solid orange line is a GAN 3 take profit level. We're going to trail this and lock in 72 points. The optimizer is an incredibly next generation tool. It has incredible implications and application in the world of artificial intelligence and trading, especially on the quant side. If you want to learn more about this, just smash that link below, book a call. Let's talk about if the optimizer is the right tool for you.